Hello viewers. Today for unboxing we have perhaps one of the best landline telephones in terms of a value to quality ratio on the market today. This is an AT&T 210, and it's not actually AT&T that makes these things anymore. It's this other company called Advanced American Telephones, and they just happen to sell them under the AT&T name. I believe all of AT&T's telephones are made by this Advanced American Telephones company, and they've been doing that for some time now. But anyways, this costs $5.99 on Amazon, and it's really hard to come across anything nowadays under like $20 or $30 that's actually well made. And I've been using these telephones around my house for a year or two now, these newer ones, and I have to say they're really exactly like the old ones. The only thing that they don't have is the weights, the metal weights inside the receiver and the base to give it that nicer feel. But aside from that, the sound quality and everything else is honestly second to none, and for $6 that is really remarkable. So let's open this up here, and we'll take a look at the telephone itself. Pretty simple packaging. Pull this out of the box here, and we have handset, manual, cradle, telephone cord, coil cord for the handset, and then line cord for the wall. And what's kind of cool about these phones, and this is another testimony of the consistency of the design, still has the cord wrap inside here, so if you want to hang it on the wall, you can still use this cord. You just wrap it around the inside, and so you don't have any extra slack. Which is kind of a neat design. The base is really lightweight, but these feet are actually quite, what's the word? Not slippery. They hold on to the table pretty well for what they are. You know, there's really no weight here. And the handset, again, the handset's kind of lightweight as well. Years ago, they used to put two weights in the bottom here to give it a heavier feel. They probably put weights in the base too, but this one obviously doesn't have that. So you can see we have all the features we used to have. We still have the 3 emergency buttons. You can store the 6 new numbers, the 10 numbers, and then hashing and asterisks. We got flash, redial, memory. There's how many memories on here? I think it said 13. Yes, 13 memories. I'm not quite sure. Oh, I guess they do 10 plus those 3. Still has tone and pulse dialing. We do have 3 ringer settings: off, low, and high. And we do have the 3 volume adjustments: normal, middle, or loud. And it does actually get pretty loud. I use it on normal all the time, and that's more than sufficient. It's got a pretty loud hook switch to it. 3 different ringtones. A little bit clunky to change it, but they are there. Plug the cord in. It's a nice cord too. It's not super tight, but it retracts pretty well. And that's really all there is to say about it. I'm going to use this one in the bedroom. And we already have a line cord in there, so I'm going to put that back in the box for now. But overall, I have to say these are probably one of my favorite landline telephones on the market because they're just so reasonably priced, and the quality is there. They're not cheap. Unfortunately, I think they're made in China, but you know, so is everything else. So anyways, that's going to wrap this up. Thank you for watching. Comment, subscribe, and out.